Optic Mega 2017, break 3329. We are full dice roll. 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here. 8 here. Giants up top. Washington at the bottom. Eight times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here. 8 here. Steven up top. Josh Stant at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Grab some soft sleeves. Gentlemen, good luck, good luck. Who got those Chiefs? Mario Martinez with the Chiefs. 2017 Optic boys. Here we go. Good luck. It's in a monster. Empty box. Good luck, good luck. D-Hop, Brandon Marshall, Evan Ingram for the Giants, and a Jake Butt. Giants to Steven Scragg. We got AP, Richard Sherman, Tre'Davious White, and a Marlon Mack. Tre'Davious for the Bills, going to Kyle Williamson. Deshaun Allen Hearns, Kenny Galladay, Elijah Hood. We got DeMarco Murray, orange, Tack McKinley for the Falcons. Tack McKinley to 199. Going to Craig Nixon. Tack McKinley and Jeremy McNichols on the back. Again, take your spots in the repack, guys. Only 7 left in the repack. I'm going to run another filler on that next. C.J. Beathard and a Buda Baker. Beathard for the Niners. Buda Baker for the Cardinals. We've got Zay Jones, Andre Reed for the Bills, Jabril Peppers, and Dante Foreman. Good luck, good luck. Crowell, Des Bryant, Taiwan Taylor, and Obi Melifonwu. Jordan Howard, silver, Von Miller, Jonathan Allen, and a Wayne Gallman. Corey Coleman, Tavon Austin, Brian Hill, and a Tariq Cohen. Last pack, guys. Good luck. Got Amari Cooper, O.J. Howard for the Buccaneers. Aaron Jones for the Packers. And Joe Mixon for the Bengals. On Mario Martinez. And let's recap it. We got Mixon, Jones, Howard, Allen, Tack, McKinley to 199, Galladay, Tre'Davious, and Evan Ingram. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, take your spots in the repack. Only 7 left in that break. I'm going to run a filler right when I get back.